How's it going, everybody? I am Jason Howard, and this is an unboxing of the InWin Chopin. This is a very popular mini-ITX case, and it's starting to become available again in the United States, but only in the black finish. So I got my hands on one, and I wanted to take a deep dive into the case so that you guys can see it to help you make a purchase decision for your next PC build. So as you may know, GPU prices are still relatively expensive. If you take a case like the InWin Chopin and combine it with a processor like the AMD 2400G, you can have a solid all-in-one gaming PC without the cost of a discrete graphics card. Now, I gotta tell you guys that I absolutely love this case. I love how it looks, I love the size, and I like the fact that you can put this in the backpack and have a portable gaming machine if you want it. It's an awesome looking case, I must say. Most of the weight of the case is in the power supply down here at the bottom, but it's not, even with that, it's not even really that heavy. So I'm going to switch angles here so you guys can have a closer look at what the case looks like. So you get the instruction manual, and you also get a little accessory bag here with the different cutouts for your front USB panels right there. These have 3M adhesive on the back, and these are your SATA power connectors. The splitter there, and screws. So when you open up the top mesh, you find the Mickey Mouse power cable and all of the cables that are connected to the power supply. The power supply itself is not modular, but it is removable. So if you wanted to install a DC ATX power supply, you do have the option for that with this case. Removing the power supply is pretty simple. There are two screws you have to undo, one on the back of the case near the Mickey Mouse plug, and the second one on the inside of the case where the hard drive bays are located. Once those screws are removed, you can just pull the power supply right out. And here's a up close look at the actual power supply itself. Overall, I am very impressed with the InWin Chopin. I think it is an awesome case. It is unfortunate that the silver version is not available here in the US, but who knows, maybe this supply will sell out and InWin will consider shipping the silver version here in the next batch. But that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. If it was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions about this case, please let me know in the comment section. My goal is to give you all the information I can before you make your purchase decision. Links to Amazon and Micro Center will be in the description box. These are not affiliate links. I just want to make sure that you get the best price. Peace.